Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. Today I'm going to be doing another light kit. I got this one from Light Tailing, another Chinese company, and it's for my Ford GT. So I'll be trying to put some lights in this Technic car. Anyway, let's start looking at what's in this box. Okay. We have, similar to the Bricks Max, just the book here, all folded up. We have some, same thing, we have some just instructions on how to handle the lights and wires, customer service card, and the instructions here. Let's just see what we got here. I guess it's like literally the same thing with the descriptions on there. This one says to actually test all the lights before you start installing, so that's actually a good idea. Kind of wonder why they didn't suggest that on the other set, or with the Bricks Max. And this should be pretty interesting. Let's see if we can make this light up. And what else we got here? We have the actual lights here. And we have, oh, that's the USB with the, oh, they just have it in two packages. They don't like have any sort of indicator. Okay, so I guess that's how they do that. You have to open it right beside the seal. This, oh, okay, that I didn't have to do that. Okay, so there's the power for the here's the battery box. They are AAA batteries. Go get some of those, and that's better. And we have a couple of studs here. Oh, they put the lights right in studs. Oh, so you don't have to do that. They pre-put them in the studs. And then, oh, they have everything connected already. So you don't have to run any wire, or actually hook things up. You just have to run the wires through the model. But everything's connected here, it looks like. Is that right? It looks like so. Okay, I'm gonna go get some batteries. Okay, I got the batteries in here. Let's plug this in. So this is a little different. They got the connections separated here. And power it on. Oh, looks like we got all the lights working. Well, those are nice tail light pieces. Okay, so now I guess I go ahead and start trying to put these in the car. I think this would be a little more straightforward because we have everything together. So I guess we'll see. Okay, I got the build scene, okay, I have a start here, and I need to take the front headlights off here. And if I remember, okay, those snapped into the side there. Is that gonna come off easy? No, I don't remember this being, this would be actually possible to take this off very easily. They're just saying pop it into there and it'll come out. But there's a piece in there. You're supposed to do that. Oh, okay, so this has to actually come down. It does have to come down and out. Okay, like there. And come down, oh, the whole front end will kind of pop down, I guess. Okay, those are out. Just great with these pages. Okay, I got those off. Now I need, do I need to take that out or is that fine? I think that's probably fine. So it needs me, I need to undo this. And try to get this hooked up. So with that. Okay. Okay, there's this one. Oh, the two headlight ones are together. Okay, the two taillight ones are together, the two headlight ones are together. So we need to hook. So they're saying start. Got one on each side here. And it's got to go. Which one do they want me? They want me to put this one in first, and that looks like that goes on this side. So we got to put this one in, and it's supposed to stick in. Oh, you stick it into there? The stud just pops in there? Does it stay in there? Or do I need It doesn't feel like that's staying in there. Okay, I got it. I think I got it there. That did go in. Okay. Now that should go in there. And where do I supposed to run? These instructions, I have to say, are not fantastic. So it looks like I could probably run the wire underneath here. Right, and then just, this should go in the way it was before. And then I should, wait, I'll wait, because I think those need to go in together. And then this, if I'm correct, goes here. And that should just go in there, okay. And then we do the same thing, just that hopefully can just stay down underneath there since we have so much space on these sets. I can hook this back in here. And then should be able to hook that up there. So I need to make sure this is where it's supposed to be up here. Okay. And then try to get those in there. Okay. And then what? This is still hanging out the side. Okay, we got this over here. And that should do that. I'm gonna check to see what they look like real quick. There we go. That actually works out pretty good. So I guess I can just continue. Got those headlights in already. And then I need to go and put, looks like, what am I doing here? There is a piece underneath here. They're saying to wrap this around. So this can go underneath here. Okay, and then I pull this out. And then wrap it around here. How many times? just once. And then just, that's there, so it doesn't come out. Okay, so that would kind of be there. Now, to take these ones, does this fit in there? No. This can sit in the car, pretty sure. Okay, so I need these two studs. Now we're at the front still, so wrap it around. And then what am I supposed to do? I guess they want an indication that you're working on the back. And now, these two studs. Okay. Gotta get these on. Okay, now what does that mean? Yeah, we have the, oh, I want to, so it wants me to wrap it underneath here. Which side? Under this side. And then just pull that through. Okay, it's just getting caught. This one doesn't want to come through. It's literally just getting caught. There. Okay, that can come through there without hopefully getting caught on this door. Okay. So we have two, so this is gonna go up under here. And I'm supposed to take this one off. Okay, so that comes off. But leave that in there. They want me to wrap it through here. Okay. And then, okay, that's supposed to go back on. That is an interesting way to do that. Is it gonna go on? Okay, I guess so. And then the always great part here that wants to snap off. So is this gonna go on just underneath here? I'm making a guess. Yeah, just take that off. Just taking the, okay, can I get that snapped back on? It doesn't, oh, it doesn't like staying on anymore. Or it's slid in that side. Okay, so now we take this off and you just pop that here. Or maybe try to get it underneath here. And then should try to pull that down. Is that gonna, Oh, I see. I have to put the stud on here. 'Cause it's not gonna hold in. Now, does the stud go on like this? Okay, there we go. That makes more sense, and then I can do that. Okay. And then just have to run that. Oh, they want me to take the whole thing off, I guess. To run. Yeah, that's on. Didn't really need to take the whole back end off, though. I don't think. Because we can take the back end off, I guess. But I don't know if you need to. Is that going to reach the other side? Let's see, I can try to get that there. And then that's going to reach up there. And then that is the whole back end off. So I could try to take that off again. Just pop that on there. Okay, and then snap the back end back on here. Okay. I think that's on. These instructions, I have to say, it's kind of, you get the general feel. I'm just more making sense of it than really following exactly what they're doing. But yeah. Okay, so that's the rear lights now. So that is not bad. And now we have these last two, we have these two lights, which I believe must go in the inside. So now where do we go with that? Open the door. Okay, door is open. And yeah, so that door is open. And now where do they want me to put this? They want me to take this off. Or they want to take the whole side off here. You take that, take the whole side off here. Up here, for some reason, this whole thing they want off. Okay, that's off. That's off, that's off. And I'm supposed to take this off. Oh, just pull this off the back here. There, take that off. And then feed one of them through there. I just don't know which one I'm supposed to feed through there. I'm supposed to stick it where? Okay, I think I'm supposed to stick it up underneath here from the looks of it. It's just which one. So it's this one, I think, the one that's on the end. So I'm supposed to stick that through inside the car. No, just here. I can put that there. And then just get that in there. Because it's just supposed to stick up underneath here. I'm gonna just put it back I do that wrong? Oh no. It is a little bit crooked. It's a little bit crooked, but it works. I don't know. Because I really can't see what it's doing. Oh. Oh, it came out. It did come out. Okay, let's try that again. Let's try that again and try to get it a little more. Man, it's just tough to hold anything in there. Okay, let's try to get it right. There we go. Nope. It really just doesn't want to go straight. I just want it in there straighter than. No, it didn't do it again. Come on. I haven't pushed it in there. It's just grabbing. Okay. Can I get this thing to go in there in a sensible way? Yeah, this is just everything's in the way on that side. Wait a second. Can I do this? And get it, push it in underneath here? Come on. There. There we go, finally. There, now I push it down. And that's a little better. Okay, and hopefully that doesn't knock anything off. And then I'm supposed to put in the other one. So that one goes above the engine. I guess they're saying put it back, this back on. So that looks like that. And now I take the other one that's inside the car and I'm supposed to put it where? Oh, I'm supposed to put it up here. Okay. Might actually be able to do this one. Might be able to do this one because it's supposed to sit just over. There we go. Just underneath here. Okay, I think I got that. There we go. That's good. Now I have to put it back together. So put this back in there. We can maybe, okay, that's wired. That's why that's supposed to come off, because those wires are supposed to go there. Oh, this was the most annoying pieces to put on ever. Or maybe not. Let me just do this the right way. And then push that through there. And again. And then that just hooks on there. Now we're hooked back up. Okay. There we go. We sit it in there, in the car there. Maybe not like that. We're gonna hide it down there. Okay, so I think I got everything hooked up here. Well, that didn't take too long. Pretty quick one because all the lights are already all connected. So let's take a look at that. You can see that here. There's the front, the back, and the engine all lit up. Now I'm just going to turn off the lights. Okay, so here we go. There it is. You got the rear lights. Well, that looks pretty good. Off here. And the engine compartment all lit up in there too. And the front. Yeah, so that is right. So there's like a bluish light in the cab and then white lights on the engine. So, and those lights in there. That was a pretty simple, quick way. That was a pretty quick, simple, easy way to get lights in the GT40. That's pretty good. These lights were already all connected with the, what is it, the light tailing set here. With BrixMax, you had to like connect everything together. But this one, it's got everything kind of ready to go, and you just hook them up and they go in. Anyway, that's interesting. And if you'd like to see more of these light kits, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.